A warm welcome to all our TVET lecturers. I'm Amanda Skinner from Macmillan, and I'm going to tell you about the updates to the curriculum for Fluid Mechanics N6. The previous curriculum dates back to 1990, and a revision has been long due. The updated curriculum applies from January 2025. There are several changes to the syllabus that you should be aware of. You will need the latest textbooks to teach the correct content and help students do their best. Later in this video, I will explain how our new TVET FIRST Students Book, Lecturer's Guide and Workbook will help you implement the revised curriculum easily and confidently. The books are approved by the Department of Higher Education and Training, so you can be confident that all the curriculum requirements have been met in full. The logo, Revised Curriculum 2025, tells you that these are the correct books. But first, let's go through the curriculum itself.
Why has the curriculum been revised?
Fluid mechanics is a fundamental branch of physics that focuses on the behavior of fluids both in motion and at rest. The term fluids includes liquids and gases. This discipline is essential for various engineering fields, including mechanical, civil, aerospace, shipping, and chemical engineering. The updated syllabus aims to teach students essential knowledge and skills in fluid mechanics, helping them solve problems and understand its industrial applications. The curriculum focuses on enabling students to tackle specific and complex challenges in the field, while offering a foundational understanding of the systems and components used in the fluid mechanics industry.
What are the most notable changes in the new curriculum?
The whole syllabus for Fluid Mechanics N6 has been reworked and updated. The most notable change is the addition of a new topic, Topic 7 on vortex flow. Many learning outcomes have been worded differently and fleshed out, and several minor sections are no longer relevant to the current technological environment.
What is completely new in the revised syllabus?
I will tell you about the main new entries, but please note that there are several smaller changes, such as learning outcomes, that have now been specified in greater detail. Do make sure you go through the curriculum carefully. Module 1 on flow in pipes and hydraulic gradients deals with the principle of continuity of the flow of fluids. Calculations for parallel and branch pipes between different reservoirs now include series pipes. In Module 2, titled Flow of Water in Open Channels, Notches and Weirs, new calculations are required, including finding the hydraulic mean depth and fluid flowing through different types of channels. Module 3, Flow of Water through Orifices, now has 5 learning outcomes. Calculations now include head loss due to fluid resistance and the reaction of the jet. Module 4, Pumps, includes new calculations and specific requirements for velocity diagrams and pump laws. Module 5 deals with ventilation. The previous syllabus included multi-branch ducts, whereas the new syllabus specifies a normal duct or a single duct that splits into 2 branches. Module 6, Water Turbines, is largely the same as the previous syllabus. A new inclusion is calculations for axial flow, parallel flow, radial flow, as well as mixed flow. Module 7, Vortex Flow, is new and has 3 learning outcomes. Module 8 is called Pelton Wheels. There are no content changes to this module, but the learning outcomes are worded slightly differently.
What does the weighting of these 8 modules look like?
No weighting was given in the old syllabus. The weighting is now as follows.
What can we expect in the exams?
The exam for Fluid Mechanics N6 remains a 3-hour paper counting 100 marks. It is a closed book exam, but a formula sheet will be attached to the question paper. Scientific calculators are allowed, but no programmable calculators, reference works, or any previous exam papers or their memorandums.
How will the TVET FIRST Students Book support students?
The Students Book offers everything students need to succeed. Clearly labeled diagrams make it easy for students to identify the components and specifications of different systems and setups. Fully worked examples help students master the problem-solving process step by step. The calculations show all the steps so that students can easily follow the reasoning and maths. Detailed tables show comparative representations, giving formulae and graphics that are clear and easy to follow. Clear explanations help students understand the content and correct misconceptions they may have. Language support and definitions help students to grasp the new concepts and terminology. The Student's Book has extra features that specifically prepare students for exams. I will tell you about 3 examples. Number 1. The book includes a range of activities that give students lots of practice with questions that are similar to exam questions. These activities prepare students for tests, assignments, and internal and final examinations. Number 2. There are summaries at the end of every module to make it easy for students to revise their work. Number 3. The book includes summative assessments that test how ready students are for exams.
Do I need a new lecturer's guide?
Yes, you do. The completely new lecturer's guide is a crucial part of your daily teaching. It includes the full answers to all activities and assessments in the Student's Book. The lecturer's guide has the full memorandum to the practice exam paper. The lecturer's guide also offers a 10-week teaching plan with teaching ideas and suggestions, a photocopyable 2-page lesson plan template, links to other resources, and a helpful overview of the learning outcomes per module.
Is there also a workbook?
There is also a handy workbook in the series that gives students an opportunity to engage meaningfully with the activities. The workbook keeps the students' work and answers to activities and summative assessments together and neatly organized. The workbook also includes exam readiness activities and their solutions for each module, so students can check their knowledge and make sure they have mastered the content. TVET FIRST textbooks are approved by the DHET and trusted by lecturers. For the best results, trust TVET FIRST.